Okay, this is what we learned last time. Okay, if you wanna, I went through these very basic. I went through different mod. Now, number one, if you wanna make it a bigger or smaller, zoom in or zoom out. So middle mouse button, just scroll up and down. It will go up and become bigger and smaller. Now the second thing we went through this mode, okay, object mode. I said you cannot change this unless you go to object mode, okay? When you have object mode, then we have edit mode. We have three options here. If you want to choose the edge, vertices are face, okay? Now, I'll go back to this mode. We have different views, guys. I'm going to talk about this corner. As you can see, we have few type of views. Number one, if you click on this, the first one is X-ray mode. I'm not talking about that now because we will talk about that after. This one is called wire mode. Wire mode means you can see inside the box what is inside the box, okay? If you want to edit something inside, so you can put on this wire. Sometimes the next one is solid view. Solid view, usually it's solid view. You can see as a solid. Now the next one we put mode. Now this one is, you can't differentiate between these two. But if you come here, we can change some of this. If I want to go, let's see, I'm just coloring, okay? If I want to color, or if you want to give any shade to your object, then you can really see this here, right? Though there is shade, but if you are in this mode, you can't see that shade because you are working on that, okay? It's solid mode. But actually, when you look here on this mode, you can see how your character, your object look like, okay? Now this one, the last one is when you print or render. Render means when you finalize your object, right? And then you want to check how it basically it will. If you want to print, how it will print. If you want to animate, and then you can see how it looks like the real world. Okay, that is the last option which you have here. So don't forget, if you want to check the effect, so you need to come here and see different modes. The shortcut for this as well, we have some shortcut, but I'm not talking at the moment. Those shortcuts, okay? Let's go, guys. A little bit. I'll go to edit mode, and then we come here on these tools. You see, we have a lot of tools. This won't appear if you are not in edit mode. If you come edit mode, then you can see these things, okay? Number one, draw. If you want, we did last time a little bit draw, and then we have measure. Measure, actually, if you drag it, right, it says 1.9 meter. It looks very small, but it's very big. See, 1.9 meter is very big. You can change these options, but at the moment, that's not the topic. We are not doing that, okay? I need to go back to the solid mode because we're going to change some stuff. Now, that is the measuring thing. Next one is adding cube, okay? I need to grab this. Now, if you want to add or grab add another cube. So if you want to add another cube, so you can add it, right? You can draw anything you want to add that. Now, this one is the next tool we have, extrude tool. This is very, very useful tool which you use it. Now, let's go here. I'll select the face, right? Now, if you want to extrude in or extrude out, now if you want to move this face in or out, that tool is used for extrude, okay? Now, if you want to extrude a little bit inside, let's see the difference. Control, if you hold S, scale it, right? And then you can grab and move upward. Guys, you need to listen. Okay, you can bring some changes, okay, with this as well. There are many options. If you hold it, you can see there are many options as well. So I want you to practice these 2-3 tools and see what does it do. Okay, the next lesson that we will